Hey guys, this is Nirmal here for Technique, and today we're going to do the unboxing of the brand new Nokia Lumia 530. So Lumia 530 was announced by Microsoft last month, and this is the cheapest Windows Phone 8.1 device right now available. So this has been launched in India and it's priced at 7349, and you can pick it from the Nokia stores or even online sites. So we are going to do the unboxing and we'll see the device and its first impressions on build quality and how the device looks. So let's start with the unboxing. So before that, let's have a quick look at the specs of the device. So the box packing has quick specs, that's 1.2 GHz quad-core Snapdragon processor, and you also have Nokia Maps and Nokia Mix Radio. Then you have the mention of whatever is inside the box, that's a battery, you have the charger, earphones and the manual. So earphones are not shipped with the Nokia Lumia 630, but it seems the Lumia 530 does have earphones, so it's mentioned here. So it has it does come in variety of colors like orange, then there is green, white, black and the cyan color. So we have the orange one with us, so we'll do the unboxing of this one. So the box packing is very similar to the Lumia 630. That's also the dual SIM, that was the first dual SIM. So this is also a dual SIM phone. So that's all in the box. We have also have a free 500 MB 3G data per month for 2 months. That's an offer with Airtel when you buy this device. So if you have a Airtel SIM card, you can get this offer. So now let's get started with unboxing. We'll open the case here. So we'll just open the box from here. So there you go, that's the Nokia Lumia 530. This is the device. So this is the orange color and it has a really good finish. That's a matte finish. So design wise, it's the curved back, very similar to the Nokia Lumia 525, so which also had a curved finish. The 630 had a solid finish. I mean, it was not curved back, it was a flat back. Now this has a curved finish. So that's the device. We'll also see what else is inside the box. So we have the battery. So that's the 1430 milliamp hour battery. That's pretty small battery. Then we have the earphones. So we have talked about that now. The Lumia 630 does not have an earphone, but the 530 has an earphone, so that's pretty good from the company. It's a pretty hard earphone, but the quality looks pretty okay. I must say it's not a really bad quality earphones, but just okay kind of earphones. We'll test the quality later. Then you also have the standard charger. That's the normal charger. You don't have any USB cable, so that's the charger around. And you also have the manual. That's the Nokia Lumia 530 manual. So quick manual. So that's all in the box. Now let's boot the device. So let's insert the battery into the device and see the interface. So just to pull it from the top to open the back cover. So that's the internals of the device. So you can see here, this is the first SIM card, SIM 1 is written here, and this is the SIM 2. So this is the second SIM card slot. So you can see, you can just pull it from here, and this is a tray, that's a SIM card 2 tray, so you can just push it inside. And you also have the micro SD expansion slot. So that's the internal. So we have the speakers at the bottom and the 5 megapixel camera. Now let's insert the battery. So we have just inserted the battery, and now let's boot the device. So this device has a 4-inch FWVGA display. So the resolution is almost similar to the Lumia 630, but the display size is lesser here. It also has a 512 MB RAM and 4 GB internal storage. The 630 had a 512 MB RAM and 8 GB internal storage, but here you have only 4 GB. So but you can expand it via micro SD card, since Windows 8.1 has official support for micro SD card. You can move apps and other games to the SD card, unlike Android where you don't have the option to completely move all the apps and games. So let's wait for it to boot. So the apps installation has been completed. So let's go to next and final step. So now we have the Nokia Lumia 530 running the Windows Phone 8.1. So similar to the Lumia 630, we have 3 on-screen buttons instead of the capacitive touch buttons. So we have the on-screen buttons now. So this is the Lumia's 530. So interface, we already know this is the Lumia, the Windows Phone 8.1. so you have the notification center and a lot of other stuff. So you can see the interface, so there isn't much of change, so it's almost the same what we have on the other devices. So build quality wise, we can say this is really good finish. I would say this is much better finish than the Lumia 525 and the 520. so it's kind of very soft and matte finish, and you have the power button and the volume keys, the 3.5mm audio jack at the top, the 5 megapixel fixed focus camera. That's strange for this price point. This is very similar to the Nokia X, which had a 3.2 megapixel fixed focus camera. So we'll test out this camera later. So this is a 5 megapixel fixed focus camera with no flash. Then you have the speakers at the back and the micro USB charging slot at the bottom. So that's all with the design and the finish of this device. So this has 512 MB RAM, so some games might not be compatible with this. So overall we'll test out the performance of this device and see how it performs, and also compare with other devices in this price point. That's the Moto E, Asus Zenfone 4 and a few other devices. So stay tuned for that. So that's all with unboxing of the Nokia Lumia 530, the cheapest Windows phone available right now. So you can pick it for around 7.2k right now. So if you have any specific queries regarding this, drop a comment and we'll be glad to help you out with your queries. If you like this video, do hit the like button, subscribe to YouTube channel for more updates, and thanks for watching this video.